Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we are excited to introduce you to the 2024 Elite Launch X431 Diagun V Bi-Directional Scan Tool. This all-in-one wireless car diagnostic tool is an absolute game changer for mechanics and car enthusiasts alike. With advanced ECU coding, programmable module installation, and powerful bi-directional control, the Launch X431 Diagun V is designed to streamline the diagnostic process and make troubleshooting quick and efficient. It allows you to perform specific tests and pinpoint fault causes without the need to disassemble the vehicle. In addition to its impressive capabilities, this tool offers 35 services and calibration initialization matching relearn functions, ensuring that you can address a wide range of issues with ease. With OE-level full diagnosis and wireless BT connectivity, you can effectively diagnose and understand the vehicle's condition with just a few clicks. Whether you are a professional mechanic, car repair shop, or advanced dealer, the Launch X431 Diagun V is the perfect tool to significantly reduce diagnostic time and increase productivity. So what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description to get your hands on this incredible diagnostic tool and take your car maintenance to the next level. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting product reviews and tutorials. Thanks for watching.